Today we're gonna be doing oil change on a 99 Mercedes-Benz CLK 430.
Look who came. Watch daddy work. That's little Coco, y'all. Coco. What's up, baby? Little Coco, she hella big now, huh? Remember when I first got her, y'all? How little she was? Look at her now. Oh, look at Ming over there. Hey, Ming. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Ming. Don't be camera shy, girl. Hey. Hey, pussy. Ming. Hey, don't act like that. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Look how big Ming is now. What's up, girl? Y'all wanna watch daddy work? Huh? Look at the two sisters.
But anyways, enough with the sentimental shit. Well, these right here are the tools you're gonna need. It's your basic tools, you know. This right here, it's a breaker bar basically with the swivel heads and with the 3/8 ratchet on one side with the swivel action. Look at that. I like this little tool right here. It got the 1/4" ratchet on the other side with the swivel action. No, yeah, it's a nice little tool right there. This right here is a oil filter wrench. Comes in real handy when you changing your oil filter. Right here, your basic needle nose pliers. It's for the O-rings. It's gonna come in handy later on. You'll see why. Just keep watching. You're gonna need a 13mm socket for the oil pan drain plug and an 8mm socket for the little covering on the bottom, the undercarriage.
People, do not mistake that for the oil pan. That is not the oil pan. That is not the drain plug. You gotta come over here. Take this little undercarriage cover, splash guard cover off.
This is where you're gonna need your 8mm socket to take off these little plastic fasteners.
It's the oil pan.
So while we let that drain, go ahead and replace the oil filter. before you put in new oil, do not forget to replace the drain plug. I repeat, do not forget to replace the drain plug before you put in new oil.
Alright, check it out. So this is how we open this, y'all. Pop this in. Pull this out a little bit. Pull the spout out. Alright. Put the spout in this little groove right here. Put this back so it'll hold it in place. Boom, now you got you some oil on tap. Mobile. 12 quarts. $45. Walmart's, right? You need 8 quarts. 8.5 as a matter of fact. This right here. This 2 quarts. It's my measuring cup. Do this like here, right? Boop. All you gotta do is twist. Oil on tap, it's the way to go. Y'all liking the video so far? Like, comment, and subscribe. If you do, I appreciate it. Now all we got left to do, put this cover back on, and we ready to rock.